gonna show how to clean the air filter for Dodge Caravan 2014. What you gotta do is, you see this thing right here, there's like a lock. You pull one, then you pull the second. You bring it down, and inside you'll see this thing that blocks, and then there's a filter here for the AC, for the, look how dirty it is, look, and this is what we're breathing, look. Now we're gonna clean it, but normally you can go to any AutoZone, Auto Parts, and change it. It costs like $8, $9. But look how dirty we're breathing this. And the company, a lot of people don't know. They don't change it, and then when you have the AC, you look at this. Look, old moldy dirt. Look at this, garbage. And then what you gotta do, you change this. This costs about $8, $9. And you see, this is the micro air. All the model numbers here, made in USA, airflow. Here, CY08221P. So you tell them this model number, or you can order it online, even cheaper, like $5. And all of a sudden, I think it's $8, $9. But if you go to Dodge to change this, it's going to cost you $150, $180 because of the labor, not because of the part. Now, for now, I'm going to put it back. I show you how to put, in case you get the new one. You basically go in. This part is the front. This is the sides. You put it inside. There's a compartment. You see, look, you put it inside. It's just like you're putting milk in a jar. It goes inside, and this is the cover. You put this right here, see? And it clips. That's it, it clips. And then, 1 second, I press something. The alarm, that's right. So you clip, and then you gotta put these back. So you gotta do it one by one. Look, I do the left, and then do the right, and that's it, it's done. Easy peasy, Japanesey.